Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to fix Roblox gift cards not redeeming. If your prepaid credit card has not been registered or the billing information submitted at the time of payment does not match the billing data on the prepaid credit card, you may encounter the Roblox gift card not working issue. Verify that the billing information you provided on Roblox exactly matches the registration information you provide when purchasing a Roblox gift card. If the information is not matched, you should try to contact the prepaid card company to resolve the issue. If you bought the Roblox gift cards from a less well-known third-party reseller or retailer, you may encounter a Roblox gift card not working issue, because they may have sold you an invalid, expired, or redeemed gift card. To avoid these situations, you'd better buy it from some famous online stores like Amazon, Walmart, or Target. If your Roblox gift card payment is unsuccessful, you can encounter the Roblox not working issue easily. That could be caused by various reasons, such as bank server issues, network issues, insufficient balance, and etc. If the initial transaction fails, do not attempt to repurchase, because this failed transaction may result in pending charges, putting a hold on your card's balance for up to 10 days. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.